Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are showing you how we can track our missed salat and use Excel and VBA to quickly enter uh, all our day-to-day clearance of our backlog of the salat and how the system automatically gets entered. So the foremost thing is that that man using this system, it is mandatory for him. It is presumed that he has made the Toba and he will not miss any of the salats in future. So by doing this, so even if you delete all the rows from here like this, from the January to May, and you delete all the, say, rows from here, okay? So since my the regular salat is carry on. So and as soon as we open, so first we close this file, right? And we show you how the system does it. Means we have already shown you the code. This is the code which is in this book, this book open event. As soon as the workbook is open, it makes sure that all your salats, regular salats are entered, not the qaza salat. The qaza salat, the salats which you have missed have to be marked day to day. So that uh, that is something else that you have to mark it day to day activity of entry. So first, let's see that how does this process, as soon as the file opens, I have deleted from the 1st January 2025 all the rows, and so it will uh, automatically create the as the report means it will automatically create the new rules telling that each day you are doing the regular training, right? Okay, so the foremost thing is that uh, from now on, the system uh, assumes that uh, you are on track and you are not missing any salats on daily basis, right? So let's close this file and or reopen it and see what happens, right? We save it. It is lesson number 454, and then we take it uh, to the VBA code here, and this is the 454. Okay. Okay, so what we do, we open it and the file will show you a message that you got to enable the contents so that this process is automatically done. So you enable it. As soon as you enable it, you see it will keep on adding until what is the date today. So it is presumed that uh, you have been praying for the last all days, means uh, for this period. Okay, if you get a again you save it and you happen to open it after 2 or 3 days, so 2 or 3 days entries will be quickly done automatically and showing that all the due prayers, the prayers which were due, they have been prayed, right? Okay, so the issue is for the backlog clear, right? So for backlog clearing, all you need to do is anywhere in the sheet, do the double click. So it is going to take you to here, right? So in previous video, we showed you that on 12, we performed the 5 days backlog, right? 5 days. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And uh, and today, eh, if we have done another 5 days, but you remember you have a issue here that the formatting, it is 12th of May, not 5th of December. It is 12th of May, right? So this has been resolved. Yeah? If you select this, you don't have to do it next time because we have made the necessary arrangement here. For example, you you did another 5 days. Okay, so you say how many days? You say 5 days. Okay, you did. So it is now no formatting issue, and it has done the mm, the needful, right? The 5 days prayers have been and entered in it. Okay, and you have so the things are adjusted as well. Now the figures are adjusted, and gradually this is getting closer. It is in and getting large and large, and until it reaches here, and this gray area vanishes. So once it vanishes, it means all your overdues uh, have been settle, and there's no work between that. So this figure should be equal to this. The figure in on the right, that was the total of the pairs which were due. So 1,107,466 should be appearing in this way, and this will get removed from it. Okay? As soon as you do all the backlog clearance, so this will do. So this is a simple procedure in which users can use it. I encourage you to make use of it, inshallah. This will be helpful to track your missing salats. Okay, and we have shown you some code of it that is doing on the double click. When you do the double click, it it uh, it checks from you that how many days you enter the how many days, and then a do while loop appears, starts, and it keeps on repeating and entering a data stamp, and also it is doing the paste spatial from a cell that is D4. D4 cell is paste spatial, so there is no problem in the format. So we have made the necessary changes in it. So that's it. Yeah. So now this is the time to see some verdicts of ulama. There is a question in the Mufti Online. It's a South African, very nice site. The people contact them, and they put their questions, and their answers are made available for everyone's knowledge. So the first question, here we have the question that completing qada salah after the ikama is called out for salah. So what should he do? Should he so he say, if I am offering my qada salah, now namaz is actually Urdu word, it is salah, right? And aqama is when before the congregation prayer, it's a call. It's Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadur Rasulullah, like this. That is, and in which one phrase is added, that is qad qamatis salah, qad qamatis salah. So this is called aqama. So this aqama is being called, and the man is performing the qada salah. So what should he do? Should he join the salah for the next one? Do I have to stop praying the qada? And so and the other question, he says that if I prayed full qada salah in this situation, is my qada prayer valid? So because the congregation prayer is the jama'ah is being performed, and you are doing your qada salah, and what would be your will it be accepted? Will it be valid to complete your salah? Okay. And the third question is, what if I am just about to complete my qada prayer, and jama'ah and iqama is called for the next prayer, then what should I do? So it's the same thing. So the answer is obviously it is as given by the Mufti Online, and it is answered by Mufti Zakaria Makala, and checked and approved by Mufti Ibrahim. He says that complete the qada salah, complete the qada salah, and thereafter join the full salah. You complete the qada salah, and if you then you join the first salah, right? The first salah is what? It is the mandatory salah, right? Okay, for which the congregation, the call has been done, iqama is done. Okay, so that is called the first salah, right? Okay, the next question was that will it be valid if I complete my salah? So he said yes, it will be valid, no problem in that. You complete your qada salah and then join the congregation. And the question number 3 has the same answer as it, that one should complete his qada salah and then join the first salah. This is the same answer of this question number 3. So this is a nice source, Mufti online dot co.za. It's South African based and very nicely structured, and you can have the questions on they are properly distributed, segregated in different chapters, and you can go to the particular chapter and scroll, and that will increase your knowledge. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.